Nandito kami sa Global City ng family ko kasi pupuntahan namin isang lugar dito na maraming mamahaling kotse dahil si Chino mahilig siya sa kotse. Kaya papasyal namin dito rin kami mag-aalmusal, family bonding. Kaya sige, wait na lang natin mamaya kung ano makikita natin sa loob. Si Elaine, si Cholo, and Chino lalakad dito sa Global City. Ganda ng mga building, oh. Grabing kotse yun, oh. Kita nyo yun? Sample. Grabe. Support Global City. Pupunta kami dito sa Wildflower. Dito kami kakain ng almusal. Okay? So, minsan lang kami lumabas. So, ano yun na natin? Tawag dito, i-maximize natin yung time with the family. Sila. Wildflower. Nakatikim na ako dito before sa Makati. Masarap ang pagkain dito, tsaka coffee. Tsaka salad, di ba? Ayan, napasok na kami. Ito yung loob. Firma muna ako, Chino. Pagkain. Mga ulam. Ay, tinapay. Piling. Ito yung loob. Maganda siya sa loob. Wala kaming coffee. Okay, thank you.
Where did you get this shit?
How's the taste, Chino? Kulang pa. So, how's the taste of the coffee? Okay na.
It's like the coffee in our house.
But more expensive.
Yeah. Pero masarap din may tint of
Coffee mo.
No. Yes pala.
iced coffee mocha.
Masarap. Ano siya, very strong coffee. Kaya, okay lang, sulit yung bayan. Cholo, what do you call that?
Chorizo fundido.
Okay.
Tapa?
Tapa.
Tapa, sir.
Sir, custard salmon.
Salmon.
Yes.
Ang in-order ko yung salmon. Breakfast. Natin, maharap. Tapos tinapay, lambot. Hey, this is Chino. Chino, what did you order?
Beef broth.
Ano, okay naman?
Yeah.
Good. How about you, Charles?
Chorizo fundido.
Gutom na kami. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Sharing kami dito para matikman lahat. Nagsubuan pa yung magkapatid. You know how's the beef? Very ano?
Lasang beef.
Lasang beef? Hindi lasang pork? Buti naman.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
It's favorite to my favorite TV show, The Last Airbender.
Okay, Last Airbender. Okay, let's go. Uwi na kami. Pagod na kami maglakad. So, yun. Next time. Nakapagod din maglakad dito sa High Street. Bye, bye-bye. Sino naman? Cholo, sino? Okay naman. Sige. Uwi na kami.
Lamborghini.
Yan, oh. Ikot natin.